Hello and thanks for watching Best Maths Tutors. I'm continuing to go through the Edexcel Foundation Tier Paper 3 from 2019, and this is question 25, and we'll be covering all the questions. So if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel to see all the rest of the videos. So question 25 is a question where we've got someone investing £200,000 in a savings account for 4 years, and they're going to be paid in compound interest at a rate of 1.5% per annum. And we've got to work out the total amount of interest that she's going to earn at the end of 4 years. So what we can do is, there's a few ways of doing this actually, but the easiest way is to first of all convert this 1.5% into a decimal. So if we do that, then what we get is that just to change a percentage into a decimal just means to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. And to do that, if we do that, we've got, I'm just going to need to write a couple of zeros in front of the 1. So currently it's the decimal point lies between the 1 and the 5. If we move it 2 places to the left, we can see it go between the 2 noughts I've put there. So as a decimal, it would be 0.015. And then what we can do, we can get what's called a multiplier. And so since it's being increased, then what that means is we add this to 1. So we add that to 1. And what we'd get is that would equal 1.015. And then what we can do is we can multiply the money we've got there, the £200,000, by that multiplier that we've just worked out, so 1.015, and then we can put a power on it. By that I mean put an indices, so like you might say 3 squared or something. Well, in this case, the power is going to be, because it's over 4 years, is going to be 4. So the 4 comes from it being 4 years. And we're doing it this way because we are on a calculator paper. So to do that, what I do is I put in the £200,000 there, multiply it by 1.015, and then I put it to the power. So to put that to that power, I've got to press this X with a little box there. And if I do that, that gives me a little space there to type in the 4, which is the power. And so if I do that, that gives me 212,272. I need to just write this down first. 212,272, and then 0.7101. 7101. And because it's money, we're only interested in 2 decimal places there. So that equals, in money, 212,272, and then 71 pence. So to find out how much interest we've made, then since this is the amount that we'd have after 4 years, so that's what we've just calculated there, is how much after 4 years is this amount of money. Then to work out how much we've made in interest, that's the amount we've made that's been added on to the original amount. So all we need to do to work out the interest is to actually take our 212,272.71 and subtract from it £200,000, because that was our original amount. So if we take away the original from the new amount, I'm going to put 00 after that, so we've got as many decimal points there to take away from it. And if we take away the original from the new amount, which is that, so that's the amount after we've earned the interest, then what we will get is how much we've earned in interest. And I'm just going to do this on the calculator because I've still got that figure on there, so that 212,272, and I'm just going to take away 200,000 from that. So there we go. The answer there is the previous answer, so that's still going to be the 212, etc. I'll take that away. That's how much money we've actually earned in interest. So as soon as I start writing, unfortunately, the calculator disappears. So I've got to remember all this figure. 12272. 12272. And then 0.71. It'd be quite easy to do it from here, actually, because there's only the first numbers that would cancel when we're taking it away. Everything else would be as it was after the first digit. So that's how much money we've earned in interest. £12,272.71. Here's the interest earned. And that was what we were asked to find, so that's it. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has, please consider subscribing to our channel to see more of our videos, and also give our video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.